Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a magazine in Canva. Begin by searching magazine in Canva's template library. For multi-page layouts, choose a template with 10 plus pages. This gives you room for a full publication. Click Customize this template to make it your own. Easily edit any text by double-clicking. Perfect for headlines, articles, and captions. To update images, simply drag your photos over existing ones. They'll automatically resize to fit the frames while maintaining the layout. For cohesive branding, change the background color and click Change All to apply it across every page instantly. Refine each page individually, adjust spacing, add new elements, or rearrange content as needed. When finished, go to Share, click Download, and select PDF Print for the highest quality output. And there you have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks.